For the JDMs. JDM? You're still recording?
Alright, what's up guys? So we are with Matt today and we are going to do some serious wrenching. So you guys saw on our video that we switched out the Vland headlight, but unfortunately the one side was not working as we planned.
So the DRL strip, so the AD bar on the driver's side was not working. So since we cut into the headlights, we can't return it, so I had to buy a new set. So here's a new set. So I got some carbon fiber mirror covers. Like there was like an Evo page and some guy was selling it on the mainland, super cheap. So I was like, might as well. So just gotta throw those on. Also, I'm having a check engine light for running lean because I have a pretty bad exhaust leak, and also my O2 sensors need to be changed. And somebody was selling these for a deal, so I bought them immediately.
So apparently these are expensive, right? Like
yeah, these are like brand new. They're like 400, but these are like
100.
They're like 150. So I think that was a steal.
So yeah, that's the intro. Let's get right in. So we are in front of the car because obviously we are replacing these headlights and we're going to go under the car to change the O2 sensor, but you said it's the downpipe, so I don't know.
So there's well, I mean, we should probably pop the hood so we can see where.
Okay, well, we're gonna show you right now. I don't know exactly what I'm looking at, so.
I need a light.
Yeah, I don't know where it is. So it's like from here then. It's like.
It's gonna be hard to get to, but I'll probably have to look up a video because I have not. I've done it on my Jenny before, and I know one's connected to the downpipe. I just gotta figure out where it's at.
All right. Then we are gonna jack up the car, and we're probably gonna take off the wheels and all that, and then it'll be easier to work with. So.
Well, found the exhaust leak.
That's pretty bad. That's pretty bad.
That explains why I'm getting running lead code.
But I guess it wasn't in the middle then. Huh? It was over here.
Well, I mean,
yeah, in the middle is
I
fine.
feel like we should change this first. Actually, why don't we take these both off and then change them at the same time? Because I have three new gaskets.
Yeah, sure.
Because I mean, might as well, right? So it doesn't look like this. Actually, this is pretty tight, I think.
I think that one's fine, bro.
Or we can
this one.
We can fix this and run the car, see if it leaks after we change this, and see if the other one's okay, or if it's just this one. And then we'll decide.
I'm pretty sure it's that one, bro. I'm pretty sure.
Oh, you think it's this one?
It's that one. Because when I'm riding with you.
I don't think it's this one.
What?
Okay.
Gotta go from top of the car.
It's like plugged in. Like, you know the rubber part? It's plugged in right now.
There's always a way to. Alright, so me and Matt took out the carpet, some of the trimming for that Evo, and then there is where the O2 sensor is, and there is where the plug was. So simply unplugged it, and then now Matt can take it out from under the car. So we're gonna do that. Nice. Holy sh**.
That might have been the issue.
Is that bad? Like,
I don't know. Where's the new one?
Oh yeah, bro.
Yeah, that might be the burnt one.
Yeah, bro. Yeah. Alright, so now we are trying to fix that little gap over there. Because, you know, he's trying to gap over these.
My car's slow.
Moment of truth. It's gone? It's gone? It's gone? Yeah!
Yes! No check engine lights, thank God, bro. Oh my God, this car. I love you though.
As you can see, there's a code on the access port.
Right, so I didn't research the codes. So I just thought by changing the O2 sensor it would fix the problem. And first of all, when we did research it, come to find out it's the second O2 sensor and we replaced the first one.
Alright, so we got to unplug from the top, so now we're gonna try take the O2 sensors from the bottom. You got it out?
Dude, it was like literally one click and it was already out.
What? I don't think that's safe, bro. Well, what?
It's like, yeah, this one's like charcoal too.
Alright, well, we replaced both not EC, O2 sensor, and hopefully Matt's car will come back with no check engine light. Knock on wood.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna get into the fun part because like not like painful like fun, but like actually fun because we're gonna.
Best case scenario, Asher's done it before and he'll just be like, I remember everything. And
I remember everything still, and yeah. Anyway, we're gonna replace these headlight, and I think we should time it 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Oh, wait.
We still gotta take this off too.
Maybe that's a cap. Maybe 30 minutes. So now, last time I basically relocate the stock ballast, but now I'm going to take it apart and then put it on the new one. The new one behind you.
The new ones. Oh, behind me. Put those there. I don't know where I put the scissors.
Your bank. Alright, Matt. Open it up.
Drops the brand new headlight.
Do it. Okay. We just hooked everything up. And then now Matt is gonna try turn the car on and see if it turns on or not. Oh, I'm so scared, bro. It doesn't work.
Wait, really?
Dude, check this out, bro.
I swear to God.
Yeah,
Ashley,
I
I
swear.
I fucking hate you.
Alright, Matt. What time is it? It's like
Headlight
7.
time.
7.
Oh, time? Oh, 7:30.
Yeah, as you guys can tell, we're both pretty exhausted because we've been here since 11 a.m. But everything's back, and I haven't taken off the plastic because I wanted to do like a full review at the very end. We are missing one last thing: carbon fiber
Mirror covers?
mirror covers.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna put this on. All right.
Right. Made it.
We made it.
Empty parking garage.
I mean, it looks so good.
Also, spur of the moment thing, we also changed my license plate lights.
Oh yeah. So
Yeah.
we were at O'Reilly's and I was like, Matt, you should get a new LED like license plate light. And then boom, he got those white ones.
Installed 5-10 minutes in the O'Reilly's parking lot.
Looks so good. But I'm super happy with the way everything turned out for Matt's car today, and then hopefully we can do some more content for Danny as well.
Absolutely.
And probably next vlog, me and Matt is gonna try something that we probably would never try unless it's for YouTube.
Yeah. Okay.
So I think it's probably the funniest video we're ever gonna film.
It'll be fun for you guys.
Well, yeah, we're really hoping that you guys will like it. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please follow all my social media and Matt's social media, and don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and see you guys later. Peace out.